I know. Do you remember that time we made Stone do that?
Oh yeah, and he just went.
That was really funny.
It's like he actually is retarded or something. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Don't you dare do that to me. I can see you. What the heck? What is that? Is that a knitting?
It's a crocheting needle.
No, it's a knitting.
Oh, well.
Ah! You look so creepy. Wait. Ow! I poked my eye! With what?
The edge of the mask. You poked it in my eye.
I poked your nose.
You poked my eye. Ow! I don't need a mask to hurt you.
Ow.
Make me cry.
This is what you look like in the mask. You're
You
just
make
like,
me cry.
no, this is,
Ah.
okay, this is what you look
Oh, that
like.
really hurt.
No, you hold it at the end like it's a sword.
There you go. There you go. Wait. Stay right there. Oh, yeah.
I can't see, so I don't. No.
That could have stabbed me.
Well, you know what? BS. I'm just kidding.
I had water in my mouth. Thank you very much.
Hey, you like my penguin? We should pop it.
We should. Why would you pop it? It's cute. Here. Get the back of an earring. Pull it hard. Like, go like that. Like, dig in. Oh, wow.
Oh, it's gonna be loud.
You don't want to get it right there. You want to get it where it's really tight. And it's really thin.
Don't scream. My parents are asleep and my mom is asleep. Don't scream.
Oh.
That wasn't loud at all.
It already has a hole in it, babe.
I know, but there's like there's like 6,000 different balloons. What are you doing?
I want to play Angry Birds.
On my iPad. Yes?
What?
Why'd you look at me like that?
Oh, because you were talking? Maybe?
You look
He has a
like-
Hitler mustache. I'm sorry.
Hitler's awesome.
What the? No. Mustache? I don't really think so. I don't.
Why?
Hitler sucks. But
Why? I think he's awesome.
why?
Ow! I'm having a little trouble.
Would you like my
I
help?
think I need a different earring.
Would you like my help?
eat.
Let me lose at this first. I suck at this game.
I'm awesome at that game.
What? I lost. That was faster than I thought. Hang on, I want my iPod.